It's a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: AM/FM satellite radio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, remote engine start, power adjustable pedals, automatic transmission, express open sliding and tilting sunroof, electronic shift on the fly, and V8 engine. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today.
Napleton Aston Martin of Downers Grove is equipped to handle all of your automotive needs. Come visit us today at 217 Ogden Avenue in Downers Grove, Illinois. We also have a location on North Clark Street in Chicago.